Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering both the case and earbuds. Make sure they reach at least 50% or charge for 15 minutes so pairing is stable. Once charging is confirmed, enable Bluetooth on your phone and clear any previously paired Muvit devices to avoid conflicts. Next, open the case and press the pair button for 2 to 3 seconds until the LED flashes. This signals the earbuds are in pairing mode and ready to respond to your phone. Now, go to Bluetooth settings and scan for nearby devices. Locate the Muvit entry that matches your model number so you connect the correct hardware. Tap the device name to initiate pairing and accept any prompts asking for pairing confirmation or permission to handle audio and calls. This enables microphone and media routing. Once your phone shows connected, play a short audio clip to confirm both earbuds produce sound and the microphone is accessible. Finish by checking for firmware updates in the Muvit app and setting the primary earbud if prompted. This ensures optimal sync and battery reporting. If audio drops or only one side connects, reboot both the earbuds and your phone, then repair. Many transient issues clear this way. If problems persist, perform the factory reset sequence on the earbuds per the quick reset method, then repeat pairing from scratch. This removes corrupted settings and usually resolves stubborn connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.